Hey everybody out there, how you guys doing? I got something super special to show you. We've been waiting for about 2 months for these to come out, and they finally came out. What perfect timing too. It's so cold out. I got in my car today, it was a little frosty. Guess what just happened? There it is, the Compustar T-13. It's out! This is what everybody across the country has been waiting for. This is the sickest remote control you've ever seen. Compustar just made a video. Take a look at this.
Today we're here to unveil the most powerful Compustar remote start and security system you can get for your car. This is the Compustar Pro T-13. For the past 20 years, we at First Tech have prided ourselves on creating solutions that focus on performance, convenience, and ease of use. The latest innovation from Compustar, the Pro T-13, gives you all of that in one remote. First, let's talk performance. If you've ever had a remote start system, you know that range is important. Let's say you're at work, working out, or out shopping. You'll want a remote that gives you that extra range you need to reach your vehicle. This new two-way LCD remote is capable of up to 3 miles of range, meaning it's powerful enough to start your vehicle when you need it to. The remote confirms your commands with audible and visual responses, so you'll know when your vehicle's running. In addition to providing the best range on the road, the Pro T-13 also has some new convenience features that make life a lot easier. The Pro T-13 supports the proximity unlock feature that can automatically unlock your doors as you approach. This means you'll no longer need to dig out your keys when trying to open the vehicle. This is especially helpful when your hands are full of groceries or the kids. The unlock range is about 3 to 6 feet, meaning that it's going to unlock your doors from any side. The best part is that you can add this to virtually any vehicle. Just like the remote starter, the hands-free keyless entry feature is one you won't want to be without. While designing the Pro T-13, we wanted to create a solution that anyone could use, whether you're tech savvy or not. Let's take a closer look at the remote and see how it works. Right away, you'll notice the Pro T-13's color LCD that's vibrant and easy to understand. Let's go over some of the basics. To update your vehicle status, simply tap the center button once. To remote start, hold down the center button for about 3 seconds. As you can see, you receive that visual and audible confirmation when the command is successful. In addition to lock, unlock, and remote start, you can access other common features like car finder or trunk release. You can even hook up the trunk release to the tailgate of your truck, like I have. The Pro T-13 only has 3 buttons, but there are over 50 commands and settings. To learn more about these advanced features, watch our next video that goes deeper into the Pro T-13's functions. This remote has a rechargeable battery, which includes the charging cable, so you never have to replace the batteries again. If you're running this remote without the added vehicle security monitoring, a full charge could last you up to 45 days. Another great feature we should point out is the fully water-resistant case design. Even the micro USB port is water-resistant. That being said, we definitely don't recommend charging it while it's underwater. The Compustar Pro T-13 kit includes the all-new Pro R5 as its companion. It's also a long-range two-way LED remote with proximity unlock and USB rechargeable battery. If you'd like to learn more about the Pro R5, please visit our YouTube channel at Compustar Online. If you're shopping in the US, the Pro T-13 kit also includes the Drone X1 module for connecting your smartphone to your system. The Compustar Pro T-13 is available exclusively at Compustar Pro retailers. We're excited to share this product with you and hope that it makes your vehicle more comfortable and convenient.
You see that? 3-mile range, proximity unlock, so all you do is just walk up to your car and the car disarms automatically. These things are awesome. So we have them in stock. Come on down. Now I know everybody's gonna say, oh, how much? They're supposed to sell for $5.99. We're doing it way less than that. So come on down, it's remote start time. In time for Christmas, we got them.
Dance with me, move your body, your life.
Bye.